headed for the town now.
Is it a dream? People are screaming. Everybody, we've got to and we believe and act like a team. We'll taste victory tonight. Your team, munching on the chips, on and on into the morning light.
Love.
Burrito rainbow up in the sky. So many fillings and flavors. Burrito rainbow, reach up and try one. The yumminess goes on forever. Burrito rainbow forever. Whoa, whoa.
Burrito is love.
Open your heart to the burrito magic. Everybody reach out and grab it. So much love wrapped in the tortilla. So much choice, the burrito gonna free ya. Open your eyes, it's plain to see. So much rice and beans and cheese. Open your mouth, it's time to eat. Let's celebrate burrito diversity.
Celebrate.
Burrito diversity.
Celebrate.
That's the color of beans. It's nice and green. That's your cheese. You gotta look and see.
Tommy.
Rice.
Rice,
Beans.
beans,
Cheese.
cheese.
Love.
What? Rice, beans, cheese. Does not compute.
Love.
Burrito is delicious.
Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
Burrito rainbow forever and ever. Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
Burrito rainbow forever and ever. Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
Burrito rainbow forever and ever. Burrito rainbow forever.
Burrito is love.
What? Warning. Incoming unidentified flying snack.
Delicious sticks of dough are falling out of the sky. They're cinnamon and sugary and oh so lightly fried. And beyond each one a supersonic donut tasting magic wand. Now listen to me, watch out for unidentified flying treats. Oh, they smell so delicious.
So delicious.
But they're possibly vicious.
Possibly vicious.
People run for your lives.
Run.
Oh, we can defeat them.
We can defeat them.
We may have to eat them
Eat them.
to survive.
Alert. Cinnamon and sugar overload.
Churros over New York, churros over Sydney. Can you resist the taste? Over Tokyo, are raising Oslo's over City. They're headed right for your face.
Too much yummy.
Mole tsunami.